You've stood in front of the mirror and looked a little too closely, haven't you? Those tiny dark dots along your nose, the rough texture across your chin, that dull, tired skin that no amount of sleep seems to fix. And you've tried things, you've pressed, you've scrubbed, you've peeled, and somehow they always come back. I want you to stop for a second, take a breath, because tonight we're going to take care of all of that, slowly, gently, the right way. This isn't just a skincare routine, this is your reset. Let's talk about what's actually happening with blackheads, because once you understand your skin, you stop being afraid of it. Blackheads are what we call open comedones. Your pores naturally produce an oil called sebum. When that oil mixes with dead skin cells and gets stuck in a pore, it oxidizes when it meets air and turns that familiar dark color. It's not dirt. It's not a sign that you're unclean. It's just skin doing what skin does. The problem comes when we disrupt the skin's barrier-chasing results too fast. Harsh scrubs, over-exfoliating, aggressive extraction, these strip the skin, which signals your body to produce even more oil. And the cycle continues. What actually works is a three-part approach: dissolve, extract gently, and then deeply nourish. We use chemical exfoliants, specifically BHA, salicylic acid, to break down what's clogging the pore from the inside. We use steam and light pressure to encourage natural release. And then we repair and protect what we've worked on. That's the whole formula. Simple, effective, and when done consistently, genuinely transformative. Step-by-step routine. Here's how the full routine flows before we drop into the relaxation portion. Step 1, double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser to melt away sunscreen, makeup, and the day's surface buildup. Massage it in for a full 60 seconds, don't rush this. Then follow with a gentle water-based foam cleanser to remove any remaining residue. This two-step approach ensures your skin is actually clean before anything else goes on. Pro tip most people skip: always use lukewarm water. Hot water feels satisfying, but it disrupts the lipid barrier and increases sensitivity, especially around the nose and chin. Step 2, BHA exfoliant. Apply a salicylic acid toner or exfoliant with a cotton pad, focusing on congested areas, the nose, forehead, and chin. Let it sit for at least 3 minutes before moving on. Don't rinse it off. Let it work. What competitors won't tell you, less is more here. Using BHA every single night will over-exfoliate you. 2 to 3 times a week is the sweet spot for most skin types. Step 3, steam. This is the game changer. A 2 to 3 minute steam session softens the follicle walls, making extractions easier and far less damaging. You can use a facial steamer or simply drape a warm towel over your face. Either works. Step 4, gentle extractions. Using clean hands wrapped in tissue or a proper comedone extractor tool, gently press around, never directly on the blackhead. Apply even soft pressure. If it doesn't release within 2 attempts, leave it. Forcing it causes more damage than the blackhead ever would. Step 5, soothing serum. After extractions, your skin needs calming immediately. A niacinamide serum is perfect here. It reduces redness, tightens the appearance of pores, and regulates sebum production. Apply with your fingertips using a gentle press and pat motion. Never drag. Step 6, clay or sheet mask. Choose based on your skin's mood. Clay mask for oilier, more congested days. Sheet mask for days when your skin feels sensitized or dehydrated. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This is where the ASMR portion begins. Step 7, moisturize and protect. Seal everything in with a ceramide-based moisturizer. In the morning, always follow with SPF. Sun damage worsens post-extraction hyperpigmentation dramatically. Transition to ASMR mode now. Let's slow things down. Everything that needed to be done has been done. The information is there, the steps are laid out. But this part is just for you. No rushing. No thinking about tomorrow, no to-do lists, just you, your skin, and this moment. Music softens further. Find a comfortable position. Sit back, let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Take a slow breath in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. Good. Deep ASMR experience. You're going to begin with your oil cleanser. Open the bottle slowly. Feel the weight of it in your palm. There's something grounding about that. A small, deliberate act that says, "This time is mine." Pour just a little into your hands. Notice how it catches the light. Warm it between your palms for a few seconds, just until it's the same temperature as your skin. Now bring your hands to your face. Start at the center of your forehead. Small, slow circles. Feel the oil gliding across your skin. No friction, no resistance, just movement. Work outward toward your temples. Breathe, down along your cheekbones. Across the bridge of your nose. Feel how the texture changes there, how the pores feel slightly more present, slightly more textured under your fingertips. That's okay. That's what we're here for. Move to your chin, to the curve of your jaw, up and around behind your ears. Take your time here. There's no clock in this room tonight. When you rinse, use lukewarm water. Cup it gently in your hands and press it to your face in slow waves. Feel each one wash something away. The tension of the day, the noise, the mental clutter. Pat, don't rub. Your face dry with a soft towel. Press the fabric against your cheeks and hold for just a moment. Now your BHA exfoliant. Soak a cotton pad until it's just damp. Not dripping, just enough. Begin at your nose. Long, slow strokes moving outward from the center. Feel the slight tingle, that mild, quiet sensation of the formula starting to work. It's not uncomfortable, it's purposeful. The blackheads along your nose, the congestion around your chin. The salicylic acid is already finding its way, dissolving, loosening. preparing everything for what comes next. Set a timer for 3 minutes and just breathe. Now the steam. The warmth wraps around your face like something familiar, like stepping into a quiet room after a long day. Let your eyes close. Feel the moisture settle onto your skin, softening everything. Opening each follicle gently, the way a morning opens before anyone else is awake. Breathe in through your nose. The warmth travels all the way down. Breathe out slowly. Let 2, maybe 3 minutes pass like this. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to be anything right now. Just warm. Just still. Just here. The extraction. This is the part that asks for patience. Wrap 2 fingers in soft tissue. Move to your nose, the area most of us carry our congestion, the place we've been most frustrated with. Position your fingers on either side of the pore, not directly on it, beside it. Apply the softest downward pressure you can manage. Then gently roll inward and upward, like you're coaxing rather than forcing. If it releases, there's that quiet, deeply satisfying moment, that tiny, almost imperceptible shift. The kind of thing that somehow feels disproportionately good. If it doesn't, breathe, leave it. Some things release with time, not pressure. Move slowly across your nose, to the corners. Across the chin if needed. Work methodically, left to right, top to bottom. No rushing. The sounds in this room right now are just yours, the soft press of tissue, the quiet rhythm of your breathing. The occasional exhale when something releases just right. Take your time, now your serum. Place 2 drops into your palm. Press both hands together, not rubbing, just pressing, and then bring them to your face. Feel the coolness of it land on your skin. Using your middle and ring fingers, the lightest fingers, begin pressing the serums into your skin in small, gentle circles. Start at the center of your face and work outward. The texture is thin and weightless. It absorbs almost immediately, like water finding its way into dry earth. Pay attention to your nose, to the areas you just worked on. Feel the niacinamide beginning to calm everything down, reducing the redness, quieting the inflammation, closing what was opened. Press it gently into the hollows beneath your eyes, along your jawline, down your neck. Your mask comes now. Slowly use your fingertips or a soft brush, whatever feels right. Start at the forehead and work in long, even strokes downward. Feel the cool weight of it settling onto your skin. There's something ritual about this, about covering your face in something that asks you to be still, to wait, to let the ingredients work without your interference. Set it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Close your eyes. Feel the mask tighten ever so slightly as it dries. Feel the slight cooling sensation as the ingredients sink in, pulling out impurities, drawing congestion to the surface. Thank you for watching.